Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to align objects perfectly in Google Slides for 2026. It's super simple, and yeah, you'll get everything looking neat and professional in no time. First, open your Google Slides presentation where you want to align objects. You can pick an existing one or create a new blank slide, whatever works best for you. Next, click and drag to select the objects you want to align. You can select multiple shapes, images, or text boxes by holding down the Shift key. Now go to the top menu, click Arrange, then hover over Align. Here you'll see options like left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom alignment. Pick the alignment that suits your slide. For example, click Center to align objects horizontally or Middle to align them vertically. You can experiment until it looks just right. If you have multiple objects, you can also use Distribute horizontally or Distribute vertically to space them evenly. This is super handy for creating balanced layouts. And that's it. You now know how to align objects perfectly in Google Slides. Keep practicing, and your presentations will always look clean and professional. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides.